Heard lots of mixed reviews. They are nice and spacious. So we're going to show you what the Infinite Veranda looks like. So my opinion about the Infinite Veranda. We are here on Celebrity Xcel and we're going to give you a full stateroom tour of our room on deck 8, number 279. So Celebrity still uses the key cards, and I say still uses because we just got off of a cruise where we were on Star Princess and they actually used a medallion, and when you approach the room the door automatically opens. So I got a little bit spoiled with that. So when we first walk in, I was quite impressed as usual with the Celebrity style, the decor of the room. We have sailed on Celebrity Beyond, and so this is only our second sailing with Celebrity. This is again the Celebrity Xcel. So we're going to step right over here and let's take a look at the control unit here where you can control the temperature and the lights. Now, one thing I do want to make note of is you can also control the temperature and the lights right from the app on your phone. And you can control the TV from it as well. So we're going to step right into here, into the bathroom. So we've been on for about 3 days now. And so we wanted to, get our experience of the room so that we can tell you what things we like, what things we don't like. So first, we're going to do a check of the shower. One of the things I really like about the Celebrity Edge Class showers is they are nice and spacious. And I love just the way that the door opens and closes. This is one of the more spacious bathrooms. The area here where the toilet is, this nook, is nice and spacious. We've got your garbage down here. This is a nice drawer here. We've got a dryer in here, a hair dryer. I had forgotten a shower cap, so I love that they provided a shower cap. In the shower, they provide shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Some places don't provide all three. We've got 3 shelves here for your toiletries and 3 shelves on the other side. One thing that I do not like is this sink. It looks great, but this sink, when you're washing your hands, while you're brushing your teeth, what ends up happening often is water starts pooling up here and then drains down the side. It would have been better had the faucet been coming from the middle, but it works. As we come out here, we've got lots of storage. So we've got this beautiful little coral design here with the light shining down, and then lots of space. As you can see, I'm not using it. This opens up as well. Now, if you come over here, this area, this is another one of those things that I wish that they, did a little bit of a change to. It's kind of tight in this area here, but it's nice to have a full length mirror. So both of these open up. They provided lots of hangers, which is something that I always look for and I appreciate. So they have lots of hangers here, so for your shirts as well as for your longer items, and then there's storage down at the bottom. Lots of storage under the bed as well for your luggage. Then we've got a safe here and 3 drawers here. There are a couple of little nooks there. I do wish that they provided the USB and USB-C outlets on both sides. They only provide outlets on one side of the bed. This is a nice well-lit mirror here. You can turn the light on and off. We can work from this desk. Now, one of the ships, I believe it was Beyond, I can't recall, but I believe it was Beyond, you could actually push this in and it was a full-length mirror. So I'm sorry that they don't have that on this particular ship. That would have been a nice added touch to have a full-length mirror besides just the small thin one that is inside the closet. On this side here, we've got the refrigerator. We had them remove the alcohol from the refrigerator. We've got a few of our own things there. We usually like to keep that stocked with extra water. We've got the plugs here. We've got the US and European plugs, as well as the USB and the USB-C. And then here we've got 3 drawers on this side. They're really nice and spacious. I love the fact that they've got the divider in between. This couch here also doubles as a bed. I love the artwork. It's simple, it's clean, the entire decor of the room, the colors, it's bright. I'm a big fan of the way that Celebrity designs the rooms. It just feels contemporary, and that's a preference for me. I almost missed this over here. We've got the big TV right across from the bed. They've got movies on here for free, which in the past, I don't recall movies being free, but that is cool. Now we are going to take it to the Infinite Veranda. We have never been in an Infinite Veranda before, and so I was very hesitant, but on the Celebrity Edge class ships, if you want a true balcony, you'd have to pay extra for the Sunset Veranda. We did that when we were on Celebrity Beyond, and we loved the Sunset Veranda. The problem is because it is at the aft of the ship, there are just a few of them. So we're going to show you what the Infinite Veranda looks like. And again, this was our first experience with an Infinite Veranda. And I'm going to tell you, I love it. I've heard lots of mixed reviews, a lot of people hating on Infinite Verandas. Now, I don't know if the Infinite Verandas on other ships are different than this, not as spacious, but if you're looking at the width of it, if you're looking at the length of it, it's nice and spacious, enough room for 2 chairs and a table. Now, if we step over here, we've got a light. You can turn that light on or off. And then also we've got full privacy. And notice this blind here can be controlled from your app. So you can do it right from the bed, or you can control this at the door. So I love that when you bring this all the way down, it completely blacks out the room. Now, I always thought Infinite Veranda sounds like a window. It's just a window. Why would I pay for a balcony and get a window? But let me tell you, I love it. And when given the option between a regular traditional balcony versus an Infinite Veranda, I think I'm going to be going with an Infinite Veranda, especially on the Celebrity Edge class ships. So here is the Infinite Veranda. We get that nice breeze from the ocean. Whether you're sitting or standing, you've got this incredible view. And one thing for me is privacy. I love being able to know that it goes all the way to the very edge of the ship. We've been on in staterooms before on different ships where it was like the barrier between you, between your balcony and the next stateroom, it ended here. So if someone's just sitting out, just looking, they can look right over onto your balcony. And so I would always feel nervous that what if someone just kind of just looks out and I'm out on the balcony, maybe I'm, just not ready to be seen. I didn't like the idea of that. So I would always feel nervous about being on the balcony and being nervous that I needed to make sure that I had, the shades drawn if I was in the room. But if we are out here on the balcony and say Owen is sleeping and I want to be able to just enjoy watching the sunrise, these can close and I can just sit out here on the balcony, and then it protects, the sound from me bothering him, and then also he doesn't have, the sound of the ocean coming in. So my opinion about the Infinite Veranda, if you're hesitant to do it, I highly recommend try it at least once, at least on the Celebrity Edge class ships. I can't speak for every, ship out there that does the Infinite Veranda, but I can tell you that I really am a big fan of it for Celebrity Beyond and Celebrity Xcel. So if we're going to take a look at the room, so we could just lay in the bed, have this open, and it feels so big in here. It's just nice, it's open, it's awesome to be in the bed and just have the breeze coming in. You hear the ocean, you've got the beautiful views. And again, I love the fact that you can be able to control this right from the bed. What are your thoughts? Have you tried the Infinite Veranda before? We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed our review of the Celebrity Xcel Infinite Veranda, please let us know. We'd love to be able to hear your thoughts. It really does help our channel if you like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to find out when our next videos are coming out. We have tons of videos that are going to be coming out from our time here on Celebrity Xcel. If you'd like to book a cruise, reach out to our sponsors, Blissful Getaways. This is where blissful memories began. They can make the process simple and easy for you. All of their info is in the description below.